This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make vegan Caesar salad dressing. Blend soaked cashews with garlic, capers, lemon juice, Dijon, olive oil, salt, and pepper until silky. Adjust thickness with aquafaba or unsweetened plant milk, 1 tablespoon at a time. Taste and tweak acidity or salt, then chill at least 30 minutes for flavors to meld. Toss with hearty greens and croutons for classic Caesar satisfaction. Begin by draining soaked cashews and adding them to a blender with capers, garlic, lemon, Dijon, salt, and pepper. Start blending on low, then drizzle in olive oil to emulsify until creamy. If it's too thick, add aquafaba or water by the teaspoon until you reach desired pourability. Taste and balance lemon and salt for brightness, then chill briefly for best texture and flavor integration. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more easy vegan recipes. Quick recommendation: Little Tree's black ice is great for keeping your car smelling fresh after hauling groceries and herbs for this dressing. It's a simple way to make kitchen runs less fragrant. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if you want. Now let's get back to the video. Boost umami with nutritional yeast or a small spoon of white miso for savory depth. If you want extra tang, increase lemon juice by a half teaspoon at a time, tasting as you go. For a smokier note, swap some olive oil for toasted sesame oil, but use sparingly. Finish with freshly cracked black pepper and a quick whisk before serving to refresh the emulsion and aroma.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.